Welcome to Defense Universe.
Light combat helicopter, when it was conceptualized as a machine that did not exist anywhere in the world. This has helped India to develop a better and more practical machine, the only attack helicopter in the world which can land and take off at an altitude of 5,000 meters with a considerable load of weapons and fuel, the only attack helicopter which was deployed at LOC amid border clash with China before its induction. The helicopter which took birth from the lessons of Kargil War. Yes, we're talking about LCH Prachand. Recently, ANI, one of the biggest news source of India, has reported that in a major push for the center's Make in India initiative, the Indian Air Force is planning to place an order for 156 more Prachand light combat helicopters with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Before we dive into the news, let's try to understand why India felt the need of a dedicated attack helicopter. The LCH project can be traced to the 1999 Kargil War when the armed forces felt the need for a dedicated platform capable of operating at high altitudes and delivering precision strikes, as the existing attack choppers couldn't effectively hit targets. This laid the foundation for the research and development of an India-made attack helicopter. In October 2006, the government sanctioned the design and development of the LCH. The Indian Army joined the program in December 2013. HAL built 4 LCH prototypes and flight tested them with over 1,600 total flights, logging 1,239 flight hours for around a decade, under difficult conditions including sea trials in Chennai, extreme cold weather in Leh, desert conditions in Jodhpur, and high altitudes in Siachen. As India is considering to deploy the Chepers both in the eastern and western sectors by the JF and Indian Army, giving forces more muscle along the China and Pakistan borders. As Indian Armed Forces theaterization is near completion, these attack helicopters will add tons of power. Cause this 5.8-ton class machine is powered by twin Shakti engines and capable of ground attack and aerial combat capability. It possesses modern stealth characteristics, robust armor, protection, and formidable night attack capability. Onboard advanced navigation system, guns tailored for close combat, and potent air-to-air missiles make the LCH especially suited for the modern battlefield. LCH can fly at a maximum speed of 288 kilometers per hour and has a combat radius of 500 kilometers, which can go up to a service ceiling of 21,000 feet. The pilot and co-pilot sit in tandem in a glass cockpit and are protected by armored panels. 20mm nose gun of LCH can fire 800 rounds per minute with a firing range up to 2 kilometers. 70mm rocket pod mounted on the stub wing, with a direct firing range of up to 4 kilometers and indirect up to 8 kilometers, and have an electro-optical pod for long-range day and night surveillance and tracking of the target. Also capable of anti-tank guided missile Dhruvastra and air-to-air missile Mistral II, which has a maximum interception range of 6.5 kilometers. The LCH helicopters can be deployed to assume air defense, anti-tank roles in high altitude, counter-insurgency, and search and rescue operations, and are equipped with advanced technology which can be used to destroy the enemy's air defense. The agility, maneuverability, extended range, high-altitude performance, and around-the-clock, all-weather combat capability make it capable of bunker-busting operations, counter-insurgency operations in the jungle and urban areas, and support the ground forces. Now, if you want to know why Indian Army using AK-203, then click on this video.